Hi all, today we'll discuss about this asynchronous communications to communicate from one microservice to another microservices or live streaming data. To analyze the live streaming data, we will use for this async communication. So how we will do that? We have a multiple ways are there, but three ways which is important. Either we will go for the RabbitMQ, either we will go for the Kafka, or either we will go for ActiveMQ. What is ActiveMQ, what is RabbitMQ, and what is Kafka? When to use Kafka, when to use ActiveMQ, and when to use RabbitMQ. So if you are working on a Spring Boot microservices applications architecture, in that cases we can use any of them, but most popular right now is in Kafka. So while we use the Kafka, so we will do this asynchronous communication from this service layer or microservices architecture. There we need to communicate, and the huge amount of data we will process, and by using this, and that will be handle with the offline, online, and all. So many features are there in the Kafka. How we will use? We will create a class, create a consumer class. We will create a producer class. We will create a cluster. Based on that, we need to define a topic. We have a key set, entry, data, and all. And after that, replications and all, which we have to define. Then we have to install Kafka and all, add this dependency pom.xml and all. So that things we have to take in care. So while we learn the Kafka, in that cases we'll go for this. So depends on the company client requirement, we can use any of them: RabbitMQ, ActiveMQ, and Kafka. Yeah.